Hi, this is Guose Prefab House. Today, I will introduce to you a new space capsule of Guose. It's the tech-conscious twin expansion capsule behind me. Its length is 11.5 meters. The width and height are both 3.3 meters. The expanded width is 5.6 meters. The area can reach 64 square meters. The main frame is hot-dip galvanized steel. The front glass wall is made of aluminum alloy and tempered insulating glass. There are 2 doors that open into our interior. Here is the main entrance. This is the side entrance. So this is the facility room. The external units of the air conditioner and water heater will be placed here. Convenient heat dissipation. When the remote control is out of power or lost, manual mode is available. First, adjust the switch to panel mode. Press start again and it can be used normally. When you enter the door, it is our integrated bathroom. Beauty mirror, sink, toilet and shower are ready to meet our daily use needs. Whole house without main light design. Smart magnetic track lights and light strips are neat and beautiful. Space-free customization. It can be used as an exhibition, hotel, bed and breakfast, coffee shop, etc. After storage, it can be put into the container. Save on shipping. No foundation required. After the floor hoisting is expanded, it can be used directly.